to Henry's show.
Hello, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to Unit7 STUV. We're going to learn 4 letters. Number 1, capital S, lowercase s. Number 2, capital T, lowercase t top. Number 3, capital V. We have capital V and lowercase v. Number 4, capital U, lowercase u. Number 5, capital T, lowercase t. Number 6, capital V, lowercase v. Number 7, capital S, lowercase s. 3, capital U, lowercase u. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I told you many times about this. If you didn't see, if you watched Unit 7 first, you can go back to Unit 1, start learning with me. You can subscribe me and learn with me. Number 1, this is up. The sign of up. The arrow is up. They're pointing up. So, up begins with U sound. Let's find another word that begins with U. Under. So, we need to match. Number 2. This is a sun. Sun begins with S. Let's find another word that begins with S. C is another word that begins with S. Number 3, face. This face begins with the V sound. Let's find another word that begins with V. There, vest, v. 4, this is a top. This is a tent. They both begins with T, so we can trace a line on it. Great, let's turn to the next page. Circle the correct picture. Does pig starts with P? Yes. Does tiger starts with P? No. Does umbrella begins with Q? No. Does quiet begins with Q? Yes. Does robot begins with R? Yes. Does violin begins with R? No. Does ostrich begins with S? No. Does the sock begins with S? Yes. Now, let's color the beginning letters. Tiger begins with T, so we need to find a capital T and a lowercase t. I found a capital T and a lowercase t. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Number 2. Violin. Violin begins with V, right? Yes. I'm right. It's capital V, lowercase v. Number 3. What do you think it is? This is a sock. Sock begins with S sound. S. It's like a snake. Number 4. This is an umbrella, right? Okay, now let's color you. I already found it. Circle the correct beginning letters. This is a melon. Melon begins with M. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with K. This is a ring. Ring begins with R. This is an umbrella. Umbrella begins with U. Number 5. This is a queen. Queen begins with Q. Number 6. This is a jacket. Jacket begins with J. Number 7. This is an octopus. Octopus begins with O. Number 8, this is a violin. Violin begins with V. Now, write the partner letters. If you have lowercase k there, that means you have to write capital K. If you have capital L there, you have to write lowercase L. If you have lowercase m there, write capital M. If you have lowercase n there, write capital N. If you have lowercase O, write a capital. If you have lowercase p, write a capital P. If you have capital Q, write lowercase q. If you have capital R, write a lowercase r. If you have capital S, write a lowercase s. If you have capital T, write a capital. No, if you have lowercase t, write a capital T. If you have a lowercase u, write a capital U. If you have lowercase v, write a capital V. This is the last page. That's and right. C, sock. Write a line. Number 1, tiger. What's the other word that begins with T? Tent. Tent begins with T. Number 2, This is a violin. What is the another word that begins with V? V. Vase. Vase is the another word that begins with V. Number 4. This is an umbrella. What is the another word that begins with U? There. Under. Easy peasy. I already taught you. Yes, S. We can draw a sun. Sun begins with S. T. Up. I'm going to draw up. And V. I'm going to draw. Let's see. Vase. I'm going to draw a face. I think vase is a good idea. It looks like a people, right? I'm going to draw it again. Now vase. Now I put some flowers inside the vase. Trace and write. We're going to write S 3 more times. Capital S, lowercase s. 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 We have T. We have to write 3 more times. Capital T, lowercase t. 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 U, capital U, lowercase 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 u. V, capital V, lowercase 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 v. STUV, STUV, STUV. Write 2 more times and write 3 more times. STUV, STUV, STUV. That's finished. MNOPQR, STUV. Write only 1 more time. Write only 1 more time. MNOPQR, STUV. MNOPQR, STUV. We're done. Next time we're going to learn the final unit 8, WXYZ. Now, are you ready? Are you really excited? Thank you for watching Henry's show. Please subscribe and click thumbs up and learn with me every day. Thank you. Bye.